Because it all started with us standing by this tree.
Right here.
Remember?
I do.
And man, and here we are 5 months later. And the yard guys are going to be here tomorrow. I got postponed again, so they'll be cutting this stuff. With the virus, they're having all kinds of issues. So anyway, there we go.
There it is.
So this was, the water would drain off the roof and would collect in here. And we had all these trees in here.
It was a mud pit.
And it was a mud pit.
Disgusting to walk through.
Right. So we built a French drain that goes all the way from up here, all the way to the alley. We'll probably go down there and see. And there was just like all these little cinder blocks that was in a pile. Remember? So Rudy made a nice path for us.
I even put gravel back here. That's nice.
And he gravelled here, gravelled up there,
Trim this up.
trimmed all this up.
Looks great.
So how's that?
Perfect.
All right, so we came in the back door. I'm gonna go back to the front door. Front door, this door was a mess. So we kind of fixed it up and then painted it red on the outside, whatever color this is, gray. Okay. Tell us about these rooms.
Ooh. Well, this one was disgusting. Well, really,
It was disgusting?
They were all pretty disgusting, but this one was very dark because that was walled off right there. There was no light of any kind. The opening here was very small.
There was no light in this room at all.
At all.
That wall was, you tore out.
Right. The only source of light was natural light coming in through the windows.
Right.
So it was very, very dark.
Okay. And the dining room over here.
Same walkway, same entrance in, very small. It did have a light, but it was very
Okay.
small. I think it had one bulb in it.
One bulb in it.
Yeah.
Now there used to be some things here that,
Yeah, like these little decorative half wall things with little posts on them.
yeah. And we had one over on this side as well. Okay.
Knock those out.
So knock those out.
That was one of the first things.
I bet that was fun.
It was fun. Just beat them with a hammer.
Okay. So then we used to have in the kitchen, there was this wall that came down here,
Right. Went all the way across.
which made, of course, this kitchen little,
It was tiny.
claustrophobic. And so we knocked out that whole wall, including all these decorative things.
There's another narrow walkway right here.
Yeah.
It even made this space seem very cramped.
Okay, so then we came through, extended this counter all the way out to here, which gave us a whole lot of cabinets.
Cabinets all down
Here.
the side.
And then we capped all this with granite countertop, including over there as well. So then our appliances. We had some pretty disgusting appliances.
Yeah, they were cream colored KitchenAid. It was just, it's actually a mix of various brands, but they were all cream colored.
Cream colored? Okay.
The built-in stainless, the vent hood,
Uh-huh.
drop-in cooktop, it's electric, and we had the dishwasher over here, all stainless.
Yeah, so we had this. Now, was this here already?
Yeah, that was actually here, and it looked brand new. I'm not sure they've ever used it,
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
So it looked brand new,
Right.
and it was already stainless.
Right. We decided to keep that. That's the one thing that we retained in the kitchen.
So we kept that and decided to kind of go stainless with everything,
Right.
pretty much.
We just matched it.
Okay.
Repurposed.
So this was the laundry room over here.
Yes.
Going out to the garage.
And this is a whole new door, because the door that was in there, it wouldn't close. They had cut it,
Yeah.
similar to the other doors.
So we had to have a whole new door.
Whole new door.
Okay. So then we have this garage all freshly painted.
New lights.
Somebody painted them.
You did.
Um,
We had the door serviced. It's very quiet.
it was a pain painting this room, especially the ceiling.
Looks ugly the whole time.
Yeah, that is such hard work. Overhead, painting overhead. So, okay.
Oh, you remember the little walls that we had in here?
The what?
The walls that we had in here?
Oh, we had a wall?
We had two walls, one on that side and one on this side.
Oh, so we had like a dryer over here and a washer over there.
The little wall went right here. Came out about this far, had this tiny dryer right here. And then there was a little, almost looked like a bookshelf here with little sliding doors on it.
Yes.
We had the little walls and that thing, and I ripped it all out.
Yeah, I don't even remember that. But yeah. So yeah, we basically gutted this room and started over. Okay. And we were the fixtures are new.
Yep. Every fixture in this house is new. There's not a single light fixture we kept. Everything's new.
And so this fixture matches the dining room fixture.
Yes.
Both of them were very ugly.
Oh, they were disgusting.
Disgusting. Everything was disgusting.
This whole house was disgusting.
So then we have here we are in the back of the house.
We added this.
Bedrooms 2 and 3.
Mm-hmm.
And we added an attic stair. You added the attic stair, did you not?
I purchased it.
Okay.
And one of Ruth's people installed it.
Installed it. Okay. So that's good. And then we have back here in this room, nice bedroom now. So ceiling fan in every room. I don't think there were very many ceiling fans.
I don't think so.
Closet.
I think it was this room or maybe that room only had like a light bulb screwed into the ceiling.
Yeah.
I don't remember, one of them it was like that.
Disgusting.
Yeah, it's terrible.
Disgusting. Okay, so then we got a new smoke detector in here.
Every room.
It's one of those talking smoke detectors.
Right. So if that one goes off, they all go off.
And this one in the hall is the
Carbon monoxide.
both a smoke detector and a carbon monoxide.
Similar to the other room. New fan, new paint, new carpet. New,
Okay.
New everything.
Okay. And then the bathroom, we had an old tub here, and we had all of this tile up here. This was so cheapy old 1x1.
It was like little, what do they call that? Subway tile? Is that what it is? Or
Well-
subway tile, the little bit bigger one.
Yeah.
It was old.
And I knocked all the tile out here into the tub. I got my leg all cut up every now and then because a piece of it would fly off and hit me in the leg. And I mean, that was a 2-day job. So then, of course, we got an all new floor throughout, tile floor. We got new countertops.
These were painted with new hardware.
We had to, basically rebuild some of this.
Well, and the interesting thing about this bathroom, it had an L-shaped,
Yes.
and it came here, and then right here there was like
How far out from the wall was
Probably
it?
a foot,
Okay.
probably 10 to 12 inches.
And so then that door,
It was a 20-inch door. It was the smallest door in the house.
which I could hardly walk through. without turning sideways. Yeah.
So we ripped
So we ripped all that out.
all the cabinets out, ripped the door out, ripped the countertop out that was here. And then put
Widened the door.
36 inch or maybe a 30 inch
30-inch door.
30
Yeah.
inch door here. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice bathroom.
All new fixtures in here.
Giant mirror.
Giant mirror. Okay, good. New toilets.
Brand new.
And of course, we had a little plumbing issue here.
Mm-hmm.
So we had to get the plumbers out here to dig down, way down to get the plumbing issue fixed.
Right.
Then we got all that, then we replaced the toilet. Every toilet, both toilets in the house brand new.
Brand new. And they're
This used to be the wet bar over here.
right. Had the big ugly flip down countertop on it. That was all that dark wood.
Yeah.
Matched the rest of the
Oh, that's right. You had this whole, all these walls were like that
all the way around.
walnut, dark walnut, so you could hardly even see in here.
Right. And the only light in here was a single bulb in the ceiling fan. It was so dark.
So dark.
So dark.
Now it's nice and bright. Okay, so we walk in here to the master. Now let's start with the bedroom.
So we added a closet.
Okay, so this closet came to about right here.
Right.
Okay,
This
okay.
bedroom was a really awkward size. It was like a
So this was one,
rectangle.
yeah, one really long,
Rectangle.
like almost like a tunnel.
Right.
And then there was this raised platform right here.
Right. So not only was there a platform, but right where you would step onto the platform, there was a fur down. So when I was standing,
So when you'd stand on the platform, you'd hit your head.
almost, I had like an inch of head clearance. there.
Okay. And how far up on the windows did that platform come?
All the way to the bottom. The carpet touched the bottom of the things. This is probably 6 to 8 inches total.
Yeah. Okay.
And then the fur down was a foot. It was 12 inch.
And I still don't have any idea why they would have this platform.
I don't know.
You know,
Style is the only thing I can think of.
and the place was occupied when we first arrived, was it not? When we first saw it?
It had been occupied a couple months
Okay.
before.
Cause didn't we see a bed or something in here?
Yeah, there was still a bed in here. There was still furniture through most of the house.
Okay. And the bed like came out from one of these walls, or did it come out from down
It came
here?
out from the middle.
So it was in front of the
in
window.
front of the windows.
Okay. So we took care of that.
Mhm.
So then, of course, the big negative. And we thought when we bought this, the only negative
Right.
was the
size of the master.
size of the master bath. So we had this just regular tub down here,
Right.
okay, and and basically all we had was tile, I think, on all of this, because I had to take all this tile down,
Right.
which was disgusting. So we tried to overcome the fact that this was a small bathroom with just a first-class shower.
Right, because we had the tub, and the fur down above the tub.
Yes.
There was a giant cabinet thing here, and this wall came out.
Yes, that
another
wall.
6 inches.
The wall came out, right.
So this bathroom, it feels small.
So it was
now.
tiny getting through here.
Yeah, it feels small now.
But-
It was really small before. Yeah,
Okay. Right.
Crazy.
So now this shower is fabulous. Have a place for people to put their shampoos and whatnot there. Great shower. And we think, well, okay, that ought to sell. Anyway, I guess it did, but
Some people,
it could not. A lot of people couldn't overcome this.
it's understandable.
Because you got two people normally in a master bedroom, and they're going to be sharing this sink. So anyway, there we go. Okay. Well, we didn't really talk about the backyard,
No, we didn't.
but the backyard was, well, it was just dirt.
Pretty much. And it had the giant tree right here. That
And it had,
blocked.
yeah, where was that tree?
Right about
Tree was about right here or something.
here, right in this area.
And it was huge. And because of that tree, you could never get any sunlight in back here.
No sunlight, and about half the tree went over the house, which is pretty dangerous.
Right. And so with the tree, nothing would grow back here because of the tree.
Exactly.
So we had to hire somebody to come take the tree out. And while they were at it, they trimmed up all the bushes back here in the back.
Right. They trimmed all this, and they took out another tree over there.
Okay.
Remember we had another small
Oh,
tree
yeah.
in the corner?
Yeah.
Too
So-
much trees.
So then we put a layer of dirt
Mm-hmm.
down, and then brand new sod down.
And this had like a little hill right here. Where the
Yes.
was, and then it kind of dipped off into the yard, so they smoothed it all out and
Exactly.
made it much nicer.
Yep. So I think we're done with this house.
We are. We're finished.
5 months later.
Yep.